Good morning everyone, it's Chris O from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I've been a professional tiler for 35 years and it's Monday morning and I'd like to show you the continuation of this job I'm doing. I've just taken out the clips on Friday. I was doing the cuts, and I've just taken out the clips and given it a bit of a tidy up and a sweep. Now I'm going to do the toe kick under here, around the bench here, those few tiles, and then I'll be up here, up this end of the house, doing the front entrance, the cuts around here, the aluminium to the carpet, and then I'll be working my way into the laundry and bathroom. So I've had a restful weekend. It's been good. It's a nice fresh Monday morning. The rain is starting to, so I'll just pop this. I had a beep, so I don't know what that is, but anyway, that's cool. Now, for your toe kick, I like to use silicone, not glue, not floor glue to, hope you can see that, not floor glue to stick my tile onto the cabinetry. Silicone, you'll never be able to pull them off. You don't have to smother the whole thing in silicone. That's heaps. Can you see that properly? I hope so. Line up the lines. Cool. Yeah, so I'll be doing that shortly as well. I've got these little bits of tile in here to hold my tile up. I'll be running silicone along there. Beautiful. Now the tiles that I'm using for that toe kick are scrap pieces of tile. 1, 2. I'll see. Oh, my cup of tea. Don't let it go cold. Right, how many of this size? It's a little bit tight. Cool. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 more of that. Two. Three. I don't want too much of that silicone on my tile. It's too hard to get off. So I should be putting it up on something. I should be putting my poo gun up like that so I'm not dropping silicone on the floor. Because it's hard to get off and you waste time. With these being siliconed on, good luck to you trying to pull them off. At a later date. Okay, so about there. That is about the intersecting point. What's the dog barking at? First thing this morning, I was taking out the clips and the wedges, and even though it's Monday morning, my glue is still green, so it was easy to get out of the joints. There's one I've just noticed there. If you take your glue out of your joints, with your knife, it's fine if your glue is still green. DIYers and professionals, you just give it a light scrape out. That's a bit of the clip there. Nice. So I'll just pop these couple in, and then I'll turn the camera off so you don't get bored. Stay tuned. Press the subscribe button if you would. Ring the bell. You'll get notified when I have another video come out. There's heaps to learn. Stay in touch. DIYs and professionals, there is always something to learn. Give us a comment. Give us a comment what you'd like to know, what you'd like me to show you. You're always feeling to make sure you've got no lip. You don't have to have clips in your toe kick, you don't have to. So yeah, we'll stay in touch. I'll see you shortly. See you, bye.